Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the coupled circuits. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. The statement is two coupled coils with respective self-inductance L1 equal to 0.8 Henry and L2 equal to 0.2 Henry have a coupling coefficient of 0.6. Coil 2 has 500 turns. If the current in the coil 1 is I1 of t is 10 sin 200t, determine the voltage at coil 2. So the given problem, L1 is given is 0.8 Henry, L2 is given 0.2 Henry, coupling coefficient 0.6. The current in the first coil 10 sin 200t, the number of turns in the second coil 500. Our aim is to find the voltage induced in the second coil. So before that, first we will find the mutual inductance. In that voltage we need mutual inductance. M equal to K square root of L1 L2. Coupling coefficient square root of inductance L1 and L2. So K is 0.6, square root of L1 is 0.8, L2 is 0.2. So after simplification we got 0.24 Henry. Mutual inductance is 0.24 Henry. Now I will find the voltage. What is the voltage induced in the second coil? E2 equal to M di1 by dt. So formula for voltage induced. One more formula is there, N d pi by dt. But here pi value is not given, flux is not given. So the EMF is based on mutual inductance and current. Otherwise number of turns and flux. Here flux is not given, but these two data are available, mutual inductance and current. So this 0.24 what we calculated, mutual inductance, into d by dt. We need to differentiate with respect to t of the current I1, 10 sin 200t. So 0.24, this 10 is constant. Differentiation of sin 200t is cos 200t. Differentiation of 200t is 200. So 0.24 into 10 into 200 is 480 cos 200t. So the EMF induced in the second coil is 400 cos 200, 480 cos 200t. So in this problem, the inductance and coefficient of coupling is given. From that we calculate mutual inductance. From that we calculated the current voltage induced in the second coil. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.